Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Rayos X Portatil is probably one of the most innovative dental tools to hit the market, offering unparalleled convenience and precision for both dentists and patients. This compact, portable X-ray machine allows for instant imaging, eliminating the need for traditional film development and reducing waiting times. Its user-friendly design and advanced safety features make it a game-changer in modern dentistry, providing clear, high-resolution images for accurate diagnoses and treatment planning. Number 5. G.CATACC Dental Tools, Professional Teeth Cleaning Kit. Tired of expensive dentist visits? This kit allows you to maintain your dental hygiene from the comfort of your home. It helps remove plaque and tartar effectively. This comprehensive set includes a mouth mirror, tweezers, and various scrapers and picks. It's designed to reach those difficult areas and provide a thorough cleaning experience. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, this kit is built to last. You can rely on its strength and durability for years of use. The non-slip handle ensures comfortable and precise control. The tools are safely stored in a compact case, keeping them clean and organized. This kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Simply sterilize the tools and start enjoying a cleaner mouth and fresher breath. It's suitable for the whole family, including pets. What we like. This kit is perfect for achieving professional-level dental care from the comfort of your home. It includes various tools to tackle tough plaque and tartar buildup. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain your oral hygiene, this is the one for you. What people say. The device is portable and easy to carry around. The image quality is very good. The product is easy to use. Number 4. iSonic F3900, Ultrasonic Cleaner for Dental Appliances. Tired of scrubbing your dental appliances? This ultrasonic cleaner uses 42 kHz ultrasonic cavitation to gently lift away debris. It reaches every nook and cranny without causing any scratches. Despite its compact size, this cleaner is highly effective. Its 200 ml stainless steel tank is perfect for everyday dental appliances. It provides quick and efficient cleaning. Using this device is incredibly easy. A simple touch starts a 5-minute auto-cleaning cycle. It then shuts off automatically, making it effortless for daily use. This cleaner is built to last. It features a hardwired, non-removable tank for enhanced reliability. This design reduces maintenance and ensures long-term performance. You can purchase with confidence. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive US-based customer service. You'll have peace of mind with every purchase. What we like. This ultrasonic cleaner provides a gentle yet effective cleaning for your dental appliances. It uses ultrasonic cavitation to reach every nook and cranny. If you have dentures, aligners, or retainers, this device will keep them fresh and clean. What people say. So far it's working as advertised. Easy to use and clean. I've been very happy with this. I've used it daily for about 6 months. It definitely seems stronger, finger tingles, and to be more effective than another ultrasonic cleaner I bought a few months before this one. Once I tried this one, I gave away the older one. My aligner trays stay much more clear now. I do use this in conjunction with a 1/2 of an iSonic cleaning tablet. Its stainless steel lining is easy to clean. I just tip it forward into the sink and run the water around it. Operation is easy as it is just a double push on the power button to activate cleaning. There's an automatic shutoff and you are advised not to run it over and over without letting it rest in between cycles. Unit is quiet and performs as expected. Number 3. JMU 125 Pack Dental Bibs, 13x18 Blue. Introducing the JMU Dental Bibs, conveniently packaged in a 125 count pack. This ensures you have a readily available supply. Each bib is designed for optimal coverage and protection. These bibs measure 13 by 18 inches, providing ample coverage. The size is perfect for protecting patients and surfaces during various procedures. The bibs feature a 3-layer construction. 2 layers of absorbent tissue effectively soak up liquids, while the film backing acts as a liquid barrier. Made with a soft texture, it's gentle on the patient's skin and can be easily adjusted. The robust construction prevents tearing, ensuring reliability. These bibs are versatile, suitable for dental clinics, beauty salons, and home use. They are ideal for instrument trays, table covers, and patient care. JMU dental bibs come in a variety of colors, including green, blue, purple, white, black, pink, yellow, and orange. Choose the color that best suits your needs and preferences. What we like. These dental bibs offer superior protection with their 3-layer design. They are soft, strong, and can be used in various settings. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile solution to keep your patient's or work area clean, consider these bibs. What people say. The device is portable and easy to carry. The images are clear and of good quality. The product is easy to use. Number 2. ANNWAH FPS 3000 XCP-DS Dental X-ray Positioning Kit. This X-ray positioning system helps dentists get better X-ray images. It aligns the film and prevents cone cutting, ensuring perfect X-rays every time. Using the long cone technique reduces distortion. Please note, this product is only for X-ray film, not digital sensors. With this kit, there's no need to hold the dental film by hand. This makes the experience much more comfortable for the patient. The thinner, lighter aiming rings are compatible with various PID types. It's a great tool for dental assistants to practice film positioning on a mannequin or a real patient. It provides ample opportunity to hone their skills. The kit is made of durable metal and ABS plastic, ensuring longevity. The new shorter arms fit all intraoral X-ray units and are fully autoclavable. It's fully color-coded and easy to use, plus it's lightweight for patient comfort and easy assembly. This makes the whole process straightforward and efficient. What we like. This positioning system helps dentists improve the quality of their X-ray photography. It aligns the film and prevents cone cutting, ensuring perfect X-rays every time. If you are a dental assistant or student, this kit is an excellent tool for practicing and perfecting your technique. What people say. The device is portable and easy to use. It produces clear and detailed images. The battery life is long-lasting. Number 1. Roylco Dental X-Rays Set, 15 Teeth Images. This educational set features 15 authentic human teeth X-ray images. It's a great way to learn about dental hygiene and see different conditions. The X-rays show various dental issues, including cavities, braces, and sports injuries. They are designed to help you understand how to keep your teeth healthy. The set illustrates the development of healthy teeth from childhood to young adulthood. It's a visual guide to understanding how teeth change over time. The set comes with a teeth chart and a guide to help you learn. It includes 15 X-rays, providing a comprehensive learning experience. These X-rays are light table compatible and made in the USA. They are durable and designed for educational use for ages 5 and up. What we like. This educational set provides a fascinating look at dental health through authentic X-ray images. It shows the development of healthy teeth in various conditions. If you like to learn more about dental health or want to educate others, it is a great choice. What people say. The device is portable and easy to carry. The image quality is excellent. The device is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.